I'm running for District Court Judge, Department 2.
And that would be the position right now that Judge Robert Lane's holding.
Yes, it is. It is my first time to run in Nye County, Nye, Esmeralda, and Mineral County, and I'm loving it because I'm such a rural person. My parents were farmers in Iowa, but they're the ones that moved me to Nevada, so I have a farmer background, and I love the rurals. I just do, and I'm such a believer in justice for all, and that's why I'm running.
You're an attorney right now. Let's talk a little bit about your background and your career.
Okay, I'm a 37-year lawyer. I have a very full practice in criminal, in trusts and wills, children, custody cases, and money cases, and of course, all kinds of civil litigation. I've been doing it all for a long, long time, and I love it. I love the practice of law, and I believe in the rule of the law, because that's what our job is as judges, is to use the law, apply the law. That's our job.
Why did you decide to run?
Because it's time. I went to law school to be a judge, and I think it's the perfect way for me to right now to give back. And justice for all is my theme. And I'm very experienced, as you know.
What's some of the things that you would like to achieve as a judge?
I would like to achieve, just like I said, more and more justice for all. I have a lot of experience. I don't have biases in terms of race, religion, et cetera, et cetera. I'm just such a big believer in equality. That's why I'm here today with the Martin Luther King breakfast. I love coming to these breakfasts. I come every year. I believe in the scholarships. They're very important for the youth. And I'm head of the scholarship committee for the Veterans of Foreign War Auxiliary for the state.
You do a lot of volunteer work too as well.
Oh, absolutely. I'm hooked up with CASA, the Child Appointed Special Advocate Program, which should be used more and more. It's very important for the children to have a voice in the courtroom. I'm also very active with hospice. Hospice has helped my parents both die peacefully and pain-free. I'm just, you name it, cancer. I'm a cancer survivor. I had thyroid cancer 29 years ago, and it's never reoccurred. So, and I'm big on that. We did the Bark for Life. My husband and I did. We raised $500, and that money funds the Relay for Life. You name a charity, and I'm there. Because I so much believe in our community. I so much do. And the animal foundations I believe in, and the animals, the children. I'm very, very. It's very important to me that anyone who's been abused, that be taken care of, and that be ended, and that people be punished. Whether it's an animal, whether it's a child, whether it's a woman, whether it's a man. I'm really against violent people.
Do you have any upcoming meet and greets where people can get to know you?
I'm going to down the road. A few of my clients have volunteered, and so we're going to get going on that. Pizza places and stuff like that, and probably over at my law office too. It started out as a funeral parlor, then it became a chapel, and then it was vacant for a few years. I'm right next to Southwest Medical. It's a big white chapel, and I'm going to have some parties there too. I'm excited.
So for your campaign, how can people find out more? Do you have a website or a phone number people can call you?
I'm getting that all set up now because I just filed for election 10 days ago. And I will have that all up and running in the next week or two under Lillian Donohue. And that we will have that ready to go. We're just working on it right now.
Keep us updated on what's coming up for meet and greets.
You got a deal. You guys will always be invited.